Okay, so this is a demonstration of using an ESP32 simulation on a Wokwi service to publish MQTT data. So I'm going to use the setup from this particular GitHub page. If I scroll down here, I can see this link here. Let me click on this. This takes us to the Wokwi simulation that's already pre-made for us. We could run this without any further change and it would work okay, but there are just a few little things I will change and point out. Really, in fact, there's only one change I'll make, and that is I'll just add something unique to the MQTT topic here. I will change this just to put WS to make it unique, but this can be any unique string here. So long as we know what this is, we can receive it on another client that is subscribing to this particular topic. The other thing I'll point out is this will publish the data to the broker here, broker.hivemq.com, and pretty much that's it. We should be able to run this. And we can see here it's connecting to Wi-Fi. And then if we scroll down here, we can see there is a loop that's running, and every 15 seconds, or it goes to sleep for 15 seconds. So effectively every 15 seconds it goes and publishes this data through this function here. And we can see that it's publishing the temperature and the humidity from these lines of code. We can simulate a change to the temperature by clicking on the DHT sensor here and change the temperature. And I can change the humidity as well, although I'm not really interested in that for my purposes at the moment. And we will see that that's been reflected here. Well, it hasn't quite been reflected. Let's wait a few more seconds for it to be updated. So we're looking for that temperature of 48.4 to come through, which it will in a moment. That is there. And that's it. And in the next video, we'll show how we can actually connect another client to the MQTT broker and actually receive that information.